Looking for the best camping cots of 2025? Whether you're heading into the wild, setting up camp by the lake, or just need a comfy rest outdoors, the right cot can make all the difference. We've rounded up the top 5 camping cots that offer comfort, durability, and portability to ensure a great night's sleep under the stars. Let's find your perfect fit. Number 1. Aboron Folding Camping Cot. The Aboron Folding Camping Cot is a well-designed and durable sleeping solution for outdoor enthusiasts and home use. Constructed with a double-layer 1200D Oxford fabric, this cot offers exceptional strength and easy maintenance. A simple wipe-down keeps it clean. The detachable soft pad enhances comfort, making it suitable for both warm and cool weather. The breathable design ensures airflow when the pad is removed, providing a restful experience. Its sturdy square steel frame supports up to 900 pounds, making it a reliable choice for a single adult or even 2 children. Unlike traditional cots with uncomfortable crossbars, this model features a design where the fabric remains higher than the frame, ensuring a smooth, comfortable sleep surface. One of the standout features is its hassle-free setup. No assembly is required, and it unfolds in less than 10 seconds. With a compact folded size of 41 inches by 8 inches, it is highly portable for various activities, from camping, hiking, and road trips to office breaks and guest accommodations. Whether used at a campsite, RV, or even by the pool, the Aboron Camping Cot is a versatile and convenient addition to any adventure. Number 2. Atorpok Camping Cot for Adults. The Atorpok Camping Cot for Adults is a comfortable, durable, and portable sleeping solution for outdoor and indoor use. It features a removable soft cushion, adding extra comfort while sleeping. In hot weather, the cushion can be detached, allowing for better air circulation and breathability. Designed for easy portability, this foldable cot can be quickly packed into its included carry bag, making it convenient for camping, hiking, or any outdoor adventure. The heavy-duty steel frame with an X-shaped structure ensures stability and safety, supporting up to 450 pounds, making it ideal for strong adults. The double-layer 600D polyester fabric is both soft and breathable, offering water resistance and easy cleaning. Its sturdy fabric provides a comfortable sleeping surface, reducing back soreness and enhancing rest quality. A standout feature is the 3-in-1 side pocket, which offers easy access to essentials like phones, water bottles, and other small items. Whether for camping, office naps, or guest accommodations, the Atorpok Camping Cot delivers a reliable, comfortable, and practical sleeping solution. Number 3. Fragess Portable Camping Cot. The Fragess Portable Camping Cot is a comfortable, durable, and easy-to-use sleeping solution for camping, home, and office use. It comes with an extra soft removable mattress, providing superior comfort for a restful sleep. In hot weather, the mattress can be removed to allow for better airflow. This foldable and portable cot is designed for convenience. It can be set up effortlessly in minutes and folds compactly for easy storage and transport. The included carry bag makes it ideal for camping trips, while the mattress can be rolled up separately for better portability. Constructed with a heavy-duty triangular steel frame, the cot supports up to 600 pounds, ensuring stability and safety with non-slip feet. Unlike traditional cots, it features a 28-inch extra-wide design and an 18 degrees tilt at the head, providing better neck and head support for added comfort. With its sturdy build, spacious design, and user-friendly setup, the Fragess Camping Cot is perfect for campers, travelers, or anyone needing a comfortable and portable sleeping option. Number 4. Nice C Camping Cot with Mattress. The Nice C Camping Cot with Mattress is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking comfort, durability, and portability. A standout feature is its upgradable heatable mattress, powered by an included power bank, keeping you warm on chilly nights. The 3.4-inch thick mattress provides plush support, ensuring a restful sleep. Designed with easy portability, this cot features a shock-cord pole structure that collapses into a compact carry bag for effortless storage and transport. Despite its lightweight 13.9 pounds frame, it unfolds to a size comparable to a twin bed, offering ample space for sleeping. Built with industrial-grade materials, the high-strength steel frame and triangular support structure allow the cot to support up to 500 pounds. The 600D Oxford fabric ensures breathability, durability, and softness. Its angled headrest and removable pillow add extra comfort, while side pockets keep essentials like water bottles and phones within reach. With quick setup requiring just one step, the nice C Camping Cot is perfect for camping, BBQs, picnics, and even home use. Its easy-to-clean surface makes maintenance effortless, making it a reliable sleeping solution for any adventure. Number 5. Nightcat Camping Cot Tent. The Nightcat Camping Cot Tent is a versatile and durable outdoor sleeping solution, combining a cot and tent combo for added convenience. The elevated cot design ensures a dry and comfortable sleep, while the ripstop nylon fabric enhances durability. The waterproof tent base prevents moisture from seeping in, making it ideal for various weather conditions. Designed for extra space and stability, this cot features 16 aluminum legs, for more than most competitors, ensuring strong support for up to 330 pounds, 150 kilograms. With spacious dimensions, 87 inches by 28 inches, it accommodates taller individuals while providing ample room for comfort. A standout feature is its 2 height modes, allowing it to adapt to different terrains. The low mode works well on firm ground, while the high mode is perfect for uneven surfaces like grass, sand, or mud. Setup is quick and easy, taking around 5 minutes, even for beginners. The rainproof and windproof 190T polyester taffeta fabric, PU 2000mm, ensures protection from heavy rain, while the mosquito net allows for ventilation and insect protection. Ideal for camping, hiking, fishing, and more, the Nightcat Camping Cot Tent is an excellent choice for outdoor adventurers.